Well, why don't we move over to the protein complex, having spoken about corn and what that may do and these inputs and how they affect these protein prices. Let's talk about lean hogs. Hey, limit up today. Let's just get that out of the way. We traded limit up today. It's good to see after what we saw in that chart. We gave back the entire year. But we had some aggressive selling in the defers yesterday. I think they pressed it a little bit too much. They got a little bit too greedy, as we would say in the trade, a little too naughty getting out there. And that's been kind of rebounded or boomeranged back in their face today. We made new 4 months lows yesterday, and we've now finally brought in some decent new buyers. Well, we've bought some decent new buyers in that are strengthening that chart. That's going to be something that looks good. And we've seen the grain complex tick off a little bit, so that's given some more comfort for guys or traders, gals that want to get in and sort of dip their toe in and start to buy this thing. And once you kind of feel like you got folks on the run, these types of things happen. And again, this market's been beaten up as of late. It's no surprise to see new buyers with some more vim and vigor because they've been beaten up so bad. And we finally did get rid of all those week longs. That's going to be a big deal. So if you're a technician, and until we get any real good more fundamental news, on the chart, this is going to look like they call it an outside day up. All right. That's a pretty bullish pattern. Something to keep an eye on. Again, these things aren't guaranteed. If it was that easy, then everybody would be doing it, right? That's what the coach said to you. But we have to keep an eye on that because that's going to be something that everybody else watches. So you have to know what the other team's thinking. That's what they're going to be looking at. Fundamentally, we'll get some more news again this week when we see something from the WASDE report that we're going to have on Thursday. But up until then, these are the types of things you're going to have to keep your eye on going into the end of the week. So remember, we had an outside day up today. We brought some fresh new buyers in after we beat this market up, especially the deferreds. It'll be interesting to see what we get out of the WASDE report when it comes to the row crops on Thursday to see how that might affect these proteins going forward.